Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to transfer Outlook contacts from one system to another system. So let me show you how to do it. For that, open Outlook on your first PC. So here you can see when I type the emails, it's coming automatically. So let me show you how to transfer these emails to another PC. For that, just close Outlook and open C drive, which is go to your Outlook data file folder. For that, just open users and open your username, and here just click on view and check hidden items, and you can see app data. Just open it and click on roaming, open it, and here open Microsoft folder, and here you can see Outlook folder. Just copy and you can save it on your flash drive or somewhere. Okay, I saved that Outlook folder here. After that, go to your second PC and open Outlook on it, and here I will show you. I just trying to type the email address, but it's not coming automatically. So let me show you how to fix it. For that, just close this Outlook and connect your flash drive on this PC and go to the folder location and just copy this Outlook folder. After that, go to your Outlook data file location on C drive, click on app data, here click on roaming, and here click on Microsoft, and here you have to paste that Outlook folder. After that, open Outlook and click new, and if you type any letter, you can see the emails are popping up. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.